Hello students, welcome to our subject Professional English. I am a teacher of Taldykurgan High Polytechnic College Turspekova Gulzira Trubekovna, and today's topic is soccer or football. Learning objectives: to study new vocabulary about soccer field and equipment, to work out reading, translating, listening and speaking skills, to use new professional terminology in our speech, to talk about sports by using collocations with verbs to play, to go and to do. Let's learn to read the words that relate to soccer field and equipment of soccer players. Soccer field, football алаңы, touch line, жанасу сызығы, penalty box, айып алаңы, goal box, қақпа алаңы, penalty spot, penalty орны, center circle, орталық шеңбер, halfway line, жарты сызығы, corner axe, бұрыштық доға, goalkeeper, қақпашы, defender, қорғаушы. And equipment: goal, немесе қақпа, corner, flag, бұрыштық жалауша, soccer ball, футбол добы, jersey, ойыншының киімі, shorts, шорты, shin guard, sheet, net, сетка, goalkeeper jersey, қақпашының киімі, soccer cleats, футбол бутсы. Look at the draw of a soccer field, and there is a description of soccer field. Let's read together. A soccer field has a touch line of 100 to 130 yards. The width is 50 to 100 yards. The penalty box and the goal box are marked in front of the goal. Both of these touch the goal line. The penalty box arc extends from the top of the penalty box. The penalty spot is centered in front of the goal. The center circle is on the halfway line. It reaches 10 yards on either side of the halfway line. The field's corner arcs are located where the goal lines and touch lines meet. Each has a radius of 1 yard. And do the task matching the words with definitions. The words: the first, soccer field; the second, goal line; the third, penalty box; the fourth, touch line; the fifth, center circle; the sixth, goal box. A. The longest side of a soccer field. B. The field on which soccer is played. C. The line on the field where each goal is located. D. A circle with a radius of 10 yards at the middle of the field. E. The area in which a goalkeeper can touch the ball with his or her hands. F. The area where a goal kick is taken from. And there is a task for listening. There are two tasks. The first is listen to a conversation between a store clerk and a customer. Mark the following statements as true or false. The man needs shin guards for his son. The man orders several jerseys. The man's order will be ready later that day. And the next task is listen again and complete the conversation between customer and the clerk, and put the missing words.
Exercises 6 and 7, page 7.
Excuse me, can you help me with something?
Sure. What are you looking for today?
I need some equipment for my son's soccer team.
Okay. What do you need?
I need 15 pairs of shorts and jerseys with their team name printed on them.
I'll put that order in for you, but you'll have to wait a bit.
How soon can you have them printed?
They should be done by next Thursday.
Okay, if you have done this task, do the next. Now, let's learn the collocation with verbs play, go and do. Play tennis, go skiing, do karate. We use play for team sports or sports played with a ball. Football, baseball, basketball, rugby, tennis, hockey, volleyball, cricket, soccer, badminton, golf. For example, he likes to play baseball. He played football when he was 18. We use go for sports that end in ing, gerunds. Skiing, swimming, climbing, diving, fishing, running, jogging, skating, figure skating. He likes to go jogging in the evening. My father and I go fishing every week. Exceptions. There is always an exception to the rule in English. These sports are not used with go. Boxing, fencing, bodybuilding, weight training. You can say, for example, he likes to box. He likes watching fencing at the Olympics. We use do with sports that you don't need any equipment to do. Aerobics, karate, martial arts, yoga, gymnastics. For example, Kate does a lot of yoga. That's why she looks so great. Lena does gymnastics. Let's practice using collocations with go. Go riding, jogging, hitchhiking, fishing, sailing, windsurfing, skiing, snowboarding, swimming, dancing, skating, cycling, running. With do aerobics, gymnastics, taekwondo, judo, karate, kung fu, ballet, exercise, yoga, athletics, archery, a crossword puzzle, tai chi. Collocations with play. Play badminton, table tennis, football, basketball, chess, cricket, board games, snooker, hockey, baseball, rugby, volleyball, squash. You must read these collocations as quickly as you can. In the task, complete the sentences with the correct form of do, play or go. Use the present simple tense. My brother, karate. We don't run very often. I, football after school. My friends and I, ice skating on Sunday. My parents, tennis on Saturday mornings. John, rollerblading with his friends in his free time. You don't, athletics at school. Sarah, gymnastics. Megan, aerobics 3 times a week. My friends and I, volleyball in summer. He doesn't, cycling very often. Pete, kickboxing at the local club. And there is another task. You must make up collocations with play, do, go. Write the following words in the right column. So, our lesson is over, and the home task is to write about your favorite soccer player. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, students.